Pure chaos, zero talking, and absolutely no face on camera. Yet, multiple gameplay shorts from the physics simulator BeamNG are pulling in hundreds of millions of views on YouTube. And when you look at the back-end data, the numbers get even crazier. We are looking at a dedicated channel generating 80 million views in just the last 30 days alone, with an estimated yearly payout reaching up to $17 million. So, how are they doing it? Today, I am going to deconstruct the exact psychology behind this viral BeamNG niche. And more importantly, I'll walk you through the exact steps to build your own faceless BeamNG content engine so you can replicate this winning formula. Let's dive in. So, how are they doing it? The secret behind these millions of views comes down to a three-step psychological formula. And the first step is what I call the escalation effect. Take a look at this viral clip. Notice how it is structured. It starts with small destruction. First, a simple motorcycle falls into the pit. Then, an SUV. Next, a police car. And then, a school bus. But they save the absolute best for last. Just when you think it cannot get any crazier, they drop an open-top double-decker bus packed with skeleton models and massive wooden logs straight into the fire. This constant escalation keeps the viewer hooked. You are literally forced to keep watching because you want to see how much worse the next crash will be. Step 2 is the visual ASMR. Because BeamNG is a soft-body physics simulator, no two crashes are ever the same. The metal bends, the glass shatters, and the parts fly off with absolute realism. It is deeply satisfying to watch. And finally, step 3, the infinite loop. Notice that this entire chaotic story happens in exactly 20 seconds. There is zero filler, no dialogue, and no language barrier. Before the viewer even realizes the video is over, it has already looped and started playing again, pushing the retention rate through the roof. Now that you understand the psychology, it is time to build it. Let me show you exactly how to set up this giant pit and automate the traffic. Want to replicate these viral, satisfying videos, but your mind is completely blank? Don't panic. This SOP document is your custom blueprint for a content assembly line. First, head over to the Viral Story Idea Generator section in the document. Just copy and paste this prompt straight into ChatGPT. It will instantly crank out 10 perfect BeamNG-style video ideas for you, complete with ID numbers, titles, and brief story descriptions. Ready to use, right out of the box. Once you've picked a story you like, move down to the Video Base Image Generator section. Just replace the X in the brackets on the first line with the exact number of your chosen story. Before generating, let's take a quick look inside this prompt. Understanding how it is structured is the absolute key to getting perfectly precise images every single time. First, notice the camera setup. The prompt strictly locks a front-facing, head-on perspective and forces the camera to remain completely stationary. This prevents the AI from hallucinating any spatial distortions. Next, look at the physics of spacing. We specifically ask for exactly 2 to 3 cars, lined up sequentially in the exact same lane. The following distance is dialed in perfectly. Too close, and the physical movement of the vehicles will glitch out. Too far, and you lose that satisfying conveyor belt rhythm of destruction. We force intensely vivid vehicle colors and bright daylight, which is crucial to perfectly recreating that hyper-realistic, high-impact look of BeamNG and Unreal Engine 5. After feeding these instructions to the AI, you will get a set of highly detailed image prompts. Go ahead and copy them. Now, we are going to use OpenArt to generate our images. Select Image Mode and paste your prompt. For the model, choose GPT Image 2. It gives us the best results by far. Set your resolution to 1K or higher, and make sure the aspect ratio is set to 9:16. As for image quality, either medium or high works perfectly. And finally, hit generate. And just like that, we have 2 incredibly detailed images of vehicles perfectly lined up under a massive industrial press. Now it's time to bring them to life. Switch over to the Video tab and change your model to Gemini Omni Flash. Take the image you like best and drag it right into the Start Frame box. Let's open our prompt document one more time and look under the Video Motion and Continuation Generator section. You'll notice I capped the total video length at under 20 seconds because these videos absolutely rely on being short, fast, and punchy to go viral. Each individual clip is set between 3 to 10 seconds, which is the exact sweet spot for the model we selected, though you can easily tweak this if you experiment with different models later. Copy the Act 1 prompt and everything above it and feed it straight to ChatGPT. You'll see the prompt already includes the recommended duration. Finally, just copy that motion prompt, paste it into OpenArt, lock in your aspect ratio and duration, and hit generate. Look at that perfect conveyor belt rhythm. The sports car and the SUV get completely flattened and clear the frame instantly, leaving the massive yellow truck right at the point of impact. If you feel like the video content needs more substance, here is exactly how you seamlessly connect the second act. On the right side of the OpenArt video interface, select Grab a Frame. Drag the timeline slider to the very last frame and click Image to Video at the bottom. This automatically loads that exact moment as your new base image. Now, just feed the Act 2 text from our document into ChatGPT to generate your next motion prompt. From here, simply repeat the exact same steps in OpenArt to keep the chaos rolling. Next up, all we need to do is drop these 2 clips into the editor and stitch them together. Start by locking in your aspect ratio. There isn't a lot of complex editing required here. The single most important step is nailing a natural, seamless transition between the final frame of the first clip and the very first frame of the second clip. Just slice away any overlapping frames so the destruction never stops. Give it a quick preview to ensure the flow is absolutely perfect. Then hit Export, name your file, and crank that resolution up to a crisp 4K. And just like that, our video is complete. Let's take a look at the final result. The entire high-quality sequence was generated by AI in just minutes. And the beauty of this workflow is that it's 100% scalable. You just swap the text. New cars, different environments, entirely new destruction physics, giving you an unlimited supply of viral content without ever hitting a creative block. If you want to master these automated AI workflows before the algorithm gets saturated, drop a like, comment which niche we should break down next, and hit subscribe. We are just getting started.